Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all keeping well. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching this palette right here. This one is from Essence and it's a Be an Original Eyeshadow palette and it's a 05 Dare to Be Bold. So it looks like this when you open it. Of course you get so many different colors in there, so beautiful, and I'm going to be just swatching all these for you guys if you want to get an idea on how this palette of course looks like. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. Before we begin, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get into the swatches. So I'm going to start with this one right here, right on the corner. First one, like that. Then we're gonna pop on this. Gold one right there, and of course the blue. This is beautiful. Looks like that, and then the gold color looks like that. So we have these first 4 shades, which are these ones here. So we have them here. Now moving on to the middle shades, I'm going to take this one right here and then this orange here. Wow, this looks pretty. Those two, and I'm just gonna pop them here. So that's the orange one, and then we have that one right there. And now I'm going to swatch these last 4 right here. I'm going to swatch those. Top row here. Wow, that is pretty. And then I'm going to take this silver, then moving on to this one. Then I'm gonna go the last one. So I have them right here. Now let's swatch them. So we'll go like that. That's not too bad. And we're gonna pop this. So that's the second one, and then we have that one there, and the last one of course. That one there. So those are the last shades, which were these ones here. We have them all here. Not too bad. Alright, that's the end of the swatches, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, me just swatching this mini palette right here. And definitely in the upcoming videos I will be playing with this palette. I'll be testing it on my eyes to see how the eyeshadows blend and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.